Welcome at the stand from Legrand Integrated Solutions here at ISE 2020. My name is Bart Stuyven and I'm happy to introduce you our guest room management system here in Amsterdam. Our guest room management system simplifies the life for our customers simply because we have a centralized system that controls the lights in your room and the temperature as well. So depending from the presence of a customer, we get different temperature settings, different light settings, different shades integrations in your project. So that as a guest, you can easily control your lights, but also simple functions like the makeup room that on this outside panel, you get then the feedback of the makeup room or the do not disturb, simply communication, integrated all together. Same thing for the thermostat. What temperature does your customer want? So depending again from the presence or not from the guest in the room, the setting of the thermostat will be different and then customized for that specific customer. If you want to learn more about our system, please check out our website legrandintegratedsolutions.com. Thank you.